The Japanese have an incense ceremony where it's a bit like the tea ceremony, where you appreciate all the different aspects of the experience of incense, but especially, of course, the smell of the incense. And the word that they use for that paying attention is translated into English as listening. And so I love the idea of using that term listening to smells because at first it doesn't make any sense in English, but it helps you realize that that's something we don't normally do. And so stopping and listening, not just to smells, but as with the pastry chef, to the flavor of something, and closing your eyes and really focusing on it and registering it to remember. It's a lot of fun, and it's also, I think, a key to really broadening your palate when it comes to enjoying things, but also creating things.